Welcome back to the Wiki Show. Today I want to make a quick edit to this article. This article needs headings. This is the lead section right here. This other section should probably be put in another heading. But outside of headings, there's another issue that I want to point out. It is right here. Have only recently been added back. Words like recently, lately, later, relative time references, such as this, are not supposed to be used on Wikipedia. When it comes to dates on Wikipedia, you need to be precise. So that right here is an issue that needs to be fixed. And further down in the article, I see this right here. This is current as of FY 2012. Terms like FY don't belong in a Wikipedia article either. You want to stay away from too many abbreviations or acronyms. Let's go ahead and see if we can clean up the time on this article. Right here, I'm going to add a break and a heading. So this sentence right here, it does not even need to be in the article. So we're going to delete this sentence, and then we're going to switch this acronym around. As of FY 2012. Let's just go ahead and delete that, as it's not really relative to the article. There's still a lot more work that needs to be done, but we'll save that for another edit. When you create your edit summary, sometimes it's a good idea to put down a link to the manual of style policy for the changes you made. In this case, I am linking to the manual of style real time. And that's what this shortcut over here is. I'm going to take this text, I'll paste that into my edit summary. You can link to a specific policy by putting the shortcut inside double brackets. And now I'm going to go ahead and publish those changes. That's all for this edit. Don't be a vandal.